Hello, everyone, and welcome to this English speaking practice session. If you are watching this video, it means you truly want to improve your English speaking skills. And that is already a very good decision. Many people want to speak English, but they feel shy. They think their grammar is not good. They think their pronunciation is not perfect. Because of this fear, they stop speaking. But let me tell you something very important. No one becomes fluent without practice. Every fluent English speaker you see today was once a beginner. They also made mistakes. They also felt nervous. But they kept practicing. And today we are going to do the same thing. In this video, I will say simple English sentences from daily life. Your job is very simple. Listen carefully and repeat after me. Don't worry about mistakes. Listen carefully and repeat after me. I wake up early in the morning. I wake up early in the morning. I wake up early in the morning. I brush my teeth and wash my face. I brush my teeth and wash my face. I brush my teeth and wash my face. I drink a glass of water. I drink a glass of water. I drink a glass of water. I start my day with a positive mindset. I start my day with a positive mindset. I start my day with a positive mindset. I like learning new things every day. I like learning new things every day. I like learning new things every day. I am practicing English to improve my future. I am practicing English to improve my future. I am practicing English to improve my future. I believe I can speak English confidently. I believe I can speak English confidently. I believe I can speak English confidently. I am not afraid of making mistakes. I am not afraid of making mistakes. I am not afraid of making mistakes. Mistakes help me learn faster. Mistakes help me learn faster. Mistakes help me learn faster. I listen carefully and repeat the sentences. I listen carefully and repeat the sentences. I listen carefully and repeat the sentences. I try to speak English every day. I try to speak English every day. I try to speak English every day. I enjoy learning the English language. I enjoy learning the English language. I enjoy learning the English language. I want to become fluent in English. I want to become fluent in English. I want to become fluent in English. I am improving my English day by day. I am improving my English day by day. I am improving my English day by day. I believe in my abilities. I believe in my abilities. I believe in my abilities. I stay positive and keep learning. I stay positive and keep learning. I stay positive and keep learning. Excellent work. If you repeated these sentences with me, then you have already taken a powerful step toward improving your English speaking skills. Remember something very important. Learning English is not about studying for one day and becoming fluent the next day. Language learning takes time, patience, and regular practice. But the good news is this. If you practice a little every day, your English will improve naturally. Maybe today you only know a few sentences. That is perfectly fine. Tomorrow you will know more. Next month you will feel more confident. And after some time, you will realize something amazing. You are speaking English without fear. Never feel embarrassed about making mistakes. Mistakes are a natural part of learning. Every mistake is actually a step forward. So promise yourself something today. I will practice English every single day. Even if it is only 5 minutes or 10 minutes, keep practicing. Little progress every day creates big results. Keep learning, keep practicing, keep believing in yourself. And if you enjoyed this English speaking practice session, make sure you come back and practice again. Because the more you practice, the more confident you will become. Thank you for practicing with me today. See you in the next video.